Fact number 16. Have you any idea how deep is the world's deepest swimming pool? The world's deepest swimming pool is in Brussels, Belgium. Its name is Nemo 33 and the maximum depth of the pool is 34.5 meters. Fact number 15. In World War I, the typical age of the soldiers was 36 years old. That was because the law prevented boys of 19 years of age to fight in the war. But if you think about it, who was the youngest soldier trained to fight in the World War I? And the answer to that is the youngest soldier was only 7 years old. His name was Momcilo Gavrik. He fought the World War I at the age of 7 and was promoted to the rank of corporal at the age of 8. Fact number 14. This might seem like a fantasy world, but no, it's not. This is a turquoise ice formation in Lake Baikal, Russia. Every winter, as temperatures go down to below 0 degrees Celsius, the crystal clear lake water forms brilliant gem-like ice that glimmers in the sunlight. I mean, look at this. This is wonderful.
Wow!
Fact number 13. In the United States, the average population of a town is around 6,200 people. But do you know what is the population of the world's smallest town? There is a small little town in Croatia named Hum. And the population of Hum is approximately 30 people.
Come on, you gotta be kidding me!
Sadly, no, I am not kidding.
Fact number 12. Do you know which is the most expensive school in the world? The most expensive school in the world is Le Rosey in Switzerland. It is also nicknamed as School of Kings. The cost of the tuition is $113,178 per year, which is excluding the sports activities.
Oh my God!
Fact number 11. Usually mushrooms look like this, but have you seen mushrooms which look like zombies? Yes, I'm not kidding. The Xylaria fungus, or better known as fingers of the dead, is a saprophytic fungus. It is a common inhabitant of forested and wooded areas, generally growing from the bases of rotten or injured tree stumps and decaying wood. It looks like the hand of a zombie emerging from the ground. Wow, now that's creepy. Fact number 10. Now it's time for my favorite fact. Some people believe that Earth is... Oh no, wait! That's not a person!
No.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
Some people believe that Earth is the only planet in the universe that contains life. But they are wrong. Our universe is spread over a length of 46 billion light years. Why can't there be a single possibility that there are more planets like Earth that sustains life? In this fact, I'll be explaining how it's impossible for aliens to not exist. Our galaxy has 300 billion stars. 1 in 5 stars have an Earth-like planet with liquid water. That's roughly 60 billion Earth-like planets in our galaxy alone. But our galaxy is small. Some have up to 1 trillion stars. How many galaxies are there? In our observable universe, there are 170 billion galaxies, each with up to 1 trillion stars. This means that there are around 23 sextillion 800 quintillion Earth-like planets in our universe. How can Earth be the only planet with life? Fact number 9. Most people think that diamonds are the rarest stones on Earth. But that's not the truth. Have any of you ever thought which stone is more expensive and rare than diamonds? The stone's name is... They are called Tanzanite stone. These stones appear in Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. They are 1,000 times more rare than diamonds, and it costs $1,200 per carat.
What?
Fact number 8. Coca-Cola's history is more than 115 years old. The world's favorite soft drink started life as a soda fountain beverage, selling for 5 cents a glass. But it was only when a strong bottling system developed that Coca-Cola became the world famous brand it is today. In this fact, I'll be showing you the evolution of Coca-Cola bottles from 1899 to 2020. Let's start. The bottle that you could see on the left was the first bottle of Coca-Cola, sold on 1899. The second bottle was sold the next year on 1900. 15 years later, we see a change in the design of the bottle. This was sold on 1915. The next one is a lot familiar. It was looking just a little thick than Coca-Cola bottle nowadays. It was sold on 1916. The next one was sold on 1957, not having much of a change except its thickness. And now for the last one. This was launched on the year 1986, 29 years after the previous one. It was the final bottle, after which the design has barely changed. Fact number 7. Robert Downey Jr., better known as Iron Man in the Avengers, is one of the most paid actors in Marvel. The fact that I'm gonna tell you will really shock you. Robert Downey Jr. was paid $10 million for just 8 minutes of screen time in Spider-Man Homecoming. He made more than $1 million for every minute he appeared in the movie. Fact number 6. Rain usually looks like this as seen from the ground. But have you seen rainfall from the sky or from the plane? Wait, let me show you. Wow, that was so awesome. Fact number 5. Corns are usually found in yellow color.
Obviously.
Well, alright, but you will most probably have never seen purple corn. Yes, they do exist, and they are not colored through chemicals. The purple corn is grown naturally in Bolivia, Ecuador, and Peru. Fact number 4. Have you ever dreamt of cycling or walking through water? Alright, then let me show you a video. Fact number 3. Are you afraid of clowns? You might be suffering from coulrophobia. And are you afraid from bridges? Then that's gyrophobia. These are some well-known phobias. But today, I'll be telling you two of the most unusual and weirdest phobias ever recognized. Number 1. Fear of number 13. Yes, it is a phobia. People who are afraid of number 13 are suffering from a very rare condition called triskaidekaphobia. The name is on your screen. Number 2. Many of us experience embarrassment or irritation with our families at times. The people who suffer from an excessive fear from their relatives are suffering from a rare condition called syngenesophobia. Fact number 2. From space, Earth looks like a water planet, with oceans covering more than 70% of its surface, with an average depth of 14,000 feet or 4,267 meters. However, if every drop of water in the world was collected into a sphere, it would just be 860 miles or 1,400 kilometers across, barely big enough to cover Eastern Europe. In the upcoming image, I'll show you all the air in the atmosphere, which is 5,140 trillion tons of it, gathered into a ball at sea level density. This is the image. The blue part is all the water found on the Earth, and the moon-like figure is all the air found on Earth. Wow! Fact number 1. Do you know which is the most terrifying place on Earth? Potato chip rock. No, just kidding. This is not a real one. This is the real one. Looks terrifying, right? Yeah, it is. Potato chip rock is a natural tourist attraction near San Diego, California. It is located on the Mount Woodson summit and is famous for resembling a potato chip. It is 2,846 feet above the ground. Only the most experienced people would dare to go hiking there. Not me.